Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing required items, a verified email, a payment method, and a concise description of your intended API use. You create or sign into your Openai account and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Once signed in, navigate to the Developer or API section and choose to register for API access. This tells the system who you are and why you need keys. Make sure billing settings are configured so quota and limits can be applied immediately when you request access. After registration, you generate an API key from the dashboard. This private token authenticates requests, so store it securely in environment variables or a secrets manager. Next, configure access controls. Create roles or projects, set per key usage limits, and enable spending caps to prevent surprises. Then pick the appropriate model and plan that match latency, cost, and capability needs. Once configured, test a simple authenticated request from a safe local environment to verify the key and settings are working correctly. To finalize, run integration tests in staging and watch logs for authorization failures or rate limit responses. Make sure environment variables are correct in deployment and that CORS or proxy settings are not blocking requests. Rotate API keys regularly and revoke any exposed tokens. This maintains security. If you hit problems, the most common culprits are billing issues, exhausted quotas, or incorrect authorization headers. Verify those first. Once stable, document key rotation and access policies so your team can maintain safe, reliable API usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.